Hello friends, welcome to my channel Testing Talks Latest. Today I am going to explain what is the difference between hash table and hash map and usage of hash table and hash map. Subscribe my channel for the latest testing tutorials and interview questions. Hash map is a collection and it is not synchronized, but hash table is synchronized. Since hash map is not synchronized, it is not that shape and performance wise it is faster, but hash table is synchronized, hence performance wise it is slower. Whenever you are running parallel execution, if you use hash map, it can cause failures since hash map does not handle multiple threads, since it is not thread safe, and hash table will handle single thread one by one, so it can be useful for parallel execution. It won't throw any errors if you use hash table as part of the parallel execution. And hash table is thread safe and it is synchronized. It will be helpful in certain situations, but hash map is faster, though it cannot be helpful in parallel execution and wherever threads are multiple. So let me explain what are the differences between hash table and hash map here. I am going to create a class collection differences. Let me test whether hash map and hash table have any differences with handle null. In this class, I am going to add separate feature files for both HashMap and HashTest. Let me import our test annotation and create features hash map by modifying it, hash table, features hash table by modifying hash map. Let me add hash map with integer as key and string as value. And giving the name as map and initializing new hash map. Let me import hash map. It is available under Java util. In the same way, let me import hash table with string as value and integer as key, and giving the name as hash table. We can also do one more thing like Java util star we can give, but it is little slower comparatively, so it will import all the Java util collections. Like this we can use to utilize all the util collections from Java. Let we modify, let we add some keys with values using put with map and table, and I'm going to give key as 1 and value as Java. In the same way, I'm going to add one key and value for hash table with put. I'm adding value as JavaScript. Now let me add null value for both map and table. Null key with some value I am giving. same way for hash table, we'll add one null key. So hash table won't accept null keys. Let we check by adding some exception. So it will throw null pointer exception. So I'm going to catch null pointer exception for hash table. And I'm going to print a message with system out println. I'm going to write the message as null pointer exception has been thrown for hash table. Same way I'm going to handle here we need to add put. Same way I'm going to handle HashMap, just modifying the message being thrown. Here I am specifying HashMap. Let we run our test and see which method will throw exception. I have added collection differences class to test-ng suite. Let we run it through test-ng. It is thrown null pointer exception for hash table but not HashMap. So this is the major difference between HashMap and hash table. And let we see the declaration for HashMap and hashtable, whether it is synchronized or not. Hashtable extending dictionary and implementing map. So parent of the hash table is map. So synchronized, it is synchronized. Let me see same way for HashMap. Its parent also map. Let me see it is synchronized or not. It is unsynchronized. So these are all the main differences between HashMap and hashtable. Subscribe my channel for the latest interview questions and tutorials. Thanks for your support.